What's more unjustified, the sharp run-up in these stocks or the plunge today?
I don't know what's more unjustified. I think there's a lot of non-fundamental factors that, frankly, drove the stock up to almost touch the $40 level, and we're just seeing the retrenchment of that. We're still constructive on Virgin Galactic, and they're certainly in a unique position, in a scarcity position of publicly traded space, which has a genuine economic outlook, real economic value, not just for tourism, but way beyond that in terms of transportation, communications, et cetera, with the national security implications behind that. Just got ahead of itself, right? And we published a report before the downgrade called Even Spaceships Must Return to Earth. We think it just needs to settle, find a new level. There is upside to our revised $30 target, but not enough right now relative to the volatility to keep us overweight, and that's why we downgraded the stock to equal weight today.
Yeah, it was ironic that you downgraded the stock but had to move your price target up to reflect some of the action. So I would imagine a lot of people got in during the sharp part of that run-up because you saw reports from all these new trading platforms of how many people were trading in Virgin Galactic, not to mention Tesla. What do you say to those folks? I mean, if you got in at 28 or 30 or something like that, are you going to see that level anytime soon?
We think that we're at a moment now where the stock price got ahead of the fundamentals. We need the event path, probably for both stocks, but particularly, I think, for Virgin Galactic, the event path in terms of testing and certification of their spaceship, getting closer to the milestone of putting Sir Richard Branson into space by the end of the year. You know, there's fatigue dynamics, there's stress testing, there's a lot of other physical events that must happen that need to kind of catch up to where the stock price was and even to where the stock price still is today. And we think as that happens, then investors can revisit the name and make a better and a more informed decision instead of getting caught up, frankly, in an overhyped situation as it seemed like it was in a couple weeks leading up to their report.
Let's switch to Tesla.